bell tower of Carthage, Tunisia, 1345. A partially collapsed bell tower reveals a massive bronze bell. It bears inscriptions in Phoenician, and its tone is said to summon spirits of sailors lost at sea. When rung, the sound creates visions of cities sunken beneath the Mediterranean. Cities alive with movement, where people speak a language long extinct. Fish-shaped creatures climb stone streets. Historians fear touching the bell, for the inscriptions carry a dire warning. Strike, and the waters will remember.